Alrighty. Good morning to the couple people that have joined. Good morning. Abdo. Morning SBS on average has been doing well, especially if I manage it. Turning around, doing the one and done thing. Thanks for it. Awesome. Glad to hear you're liking it. It's always good to manage it a little bit, in my opinion. Even if it's just it takes the entries for you and it takes the exits for you. You just watch it, make sure it's going smooth. But I find people who manage like they may adjust the stop or may adjust the TP or according to their own analysis, things like that. It tends to work out for a lot of them, so they do know what they're doing a little more than the average person probably. But good morning, Tunga. Exactly, yeah. But yeah, hope everyone's doing good today. We're always going to be calling out some manual trades on the live stream if we see them, okay? And Autotrader. So if you don't have the Autotrader, you can still hang out in here, okay? Looks like the news today just medium impact. Jeez, it's a nice little stretch there. Yeah, nothing crazy for news today, so. We will look at the chart here in just a second. Let's do that right now, actually. Let me load up all the gaps, and then we'll show you guys kind of what I'd be watching for the open. A lot of stuff below us. Really, we haven't been this high in a little bit, huh? 20,400. I feel like we have, though. I guess not in a while, huh? Doesn't quite load from back here. Okay. Well, in that case, not much we're watching to the upside. 436, 440. To the downside, if we do drop, I really like this level. Good morning, Gio. I really like this 355 down to 346. So it's a really nice looking 9-10 point gap there. But it's not loading to the upside, so this is the main thing I'd be watching, is if we drop for a reaction from 355. We look pretty bullish today so far. Inverse this 1 hour for value gap, respecting this 1 hour for value gap here. Looks decent. Let's see if we could, where we could target today. Maybe this high we're going for. That'd be my bet. 492. $30-minute, again, inversing these. Looks nice. Man, Botfolio killed it yesterday, guys. I posted this in the chat, but if you're not in the Botfolio Discord, you should join it. Links in the description, I think. Oh, the waitlist is in the description. But yeah, Botfolio closed 3,600 yesterday of realized gain. These are some of the positions it was in, so it closed out most of these profits. So 3,600 of profit, and it's up like 600 today. That might be some from yesterday though. I'm not sure because I only glanced at it this morning. But pretty big day yesterday for Botfolio. That's trading 1 micro per strategy. That's a 7% gain yesterday on Botfolio. 7%. But yeah, it looks like we want to me, take out these highs at 20,492. Okay. Yeah, as everyone's joining, please drop a like on the live. And I'm gonna do a poll. I want everyone to vote on the poll. All right. Where do you guys think the market's going this morning? I think it looks good to go up though. Anyway. Let's hope for a good morning, and yeah, let's hope for a good morning. We'll put this aside in a second. A lot of people in here. Welcome if you're new. Please stay. Feel free to stay. It's a good little group. All right, 24 of you. Drop a like, drop a sub. Autotrader will start trading in 5 minutes. Personally, more on the bullish end. Wouldn't be surprised if 930 push lower though. Mixed views, yeah. A few more people today. Yeah, I mean, we're pushing lower right now. I would think that we do go higher today. I would like to think we go higher. I mean, things are pointing in that direction, or looking that way, but yeah, we probably go lower first. Big fair value gap here. This is a 1 hour fair value gap. So if we hold that, then we should be all right. Yeah. Good morning, Caesar. Let's go SBS. Yeah, SBS has done really good the past 3 days. It's made, I mean, at 32 range, I said this yesterday. It's made 3 days in a row. Yeah, third day in a row, $1,000 or more. So I think last Thursday it made 1,050. Friday it made 2,000. Yesterday it made 1,070. So all those drawdown periods and stuff, if you're in those, made it back in a couple days. So that would have, I mean, yeah, that's pattern 2 as well. I do have that on. Yep. Generally, the pattern 2 has been getting pretty good trades. But yeah. Ben messaged me this morning. Update should be done for SBS this Friday. So we'll probably review it next week and then release it the following weekend. So probably update not this weekend, but next weekend. So 10 days maybe. So that's exciting. It should be a pretty cool update as well. Should be a pretty cool update. Good morning, Tom. How you guys doing? March is already coming to a close, guys. Jeez, March 25th today. Oh, market's open. I didn't even realize. Okay. Yeah, March, dude, the year is flying by. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Maybe we should look into doing IFVGs for our strategy for the challenge. It looks like we might get triggered into this short if we wait here for a little bit longer. Which I wouldn't be opposed, but it's not the best short, so. Not sure if we'd get triggered into it now, but. Make sure you guys can see everything, yeah. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. We filled some fair value gaps to the downside. I'm not seeing any really high quality trades right now, unless we moved a little bit lower first. So we'll see, but kind of just chopping inside of this 1 minute fair value gap here currently. Got a potential long down here, 392. See if we pull back, tap into that. Stop loss would likely be pretty tight though. Got kind of close. That hit 399. Needed to dip a little lower there. We do have some 1 minute equal highs above us. So I'm not opposed to some longs if we could get this entry. We do have some 1 minute equal highs right there, 429, and then again this high up here, 492, might be more the daily target, but yeah, doesn't look too bad. But we need to get above this this 1 minute. Good morning, Mr. Wilson. How's it going? No trades yet with SBS. Just chopping. Took the day off at the gym. Playing over the stereo system. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. Yeah. Getting some looks, yeah. That's not good. Enjoy your day off, man. Enjoy your day off. For those of you that don't know, Mr. Wilson just got 10K Apex payout approved, and that was pretty much all from the live streams he does in the Discord, so. Maybe that could be our challenge, our 0 to 25K challenge. We just take all the trades that Mr. Wilson does on the live stream. That could be interesting. Really? That's awesome, man. Maybe that'll be our challenge. What do you think, Mr. Wilson? 0 to 25K challenge, and we just take all the trades that you take on the live stream. Everyone can follow along. Probably get a good group. Tell you what to do. Do what you do and make us money. You know what I'm saying? All we would do is, I mean, you know, I was starting this YouTube series. I was trying to think of something everybody could do, so I was trying to think of a simple strategy, but I don't know, we could just do because the live streams are free right now, right? Could just follow whatever trades you're doing, and then hopefully we make 25K over multiple accounts. Of course, I was gonna do like 5 top step accounts, but we can throw an Apex too. I mean, the challenge hasn't started yet. You'd have to tell me if you're down for it though. They're in the Discord, TJ. They're in the Discord for free. You just have to go to private roles. Click join that. 100% be on board to do that. Just be like having a group session. You can sit down, everyone be, yeah. Yeah, I would still do probably my live streams on YouTube and stuff, but we could start encouraging more people to join the live stream on the Discord. And I don't know, you can walk through your strategy. Everyone can start to learn your strategy, why you're taking the trades. And then all my YouTube viewers can come to the Discord, kind of join, take the same trades. Everyone can take the same trades, and maybe we get one giant group payout, you know? It's an idea. But if you're down for it, maybe we could do that. I'm sure people would be interested in that. No trades so far this morning. 8 minutes in, 9 minutes in. You like it? Awesome. I'll probably DM you some questions of my own before I do anything, but sounds good, man. So that puts Mr. Wilson at 22K in payouts once that one gets approved in the past. I mean, he's only been live streaming for us for what, a month and a half, maybe? Call it a month and a half, maybe 2 months. Let's see, I 117, yeah, about 2 months, yeah. So that's pretty good. Pretty good. I like that idea. That'd be easy for everyone to follow, and because I mean, it would be. We do have news this morning, so don't forget about that. We do have news at 10 a.m. It is medium impact. It could cause a spark. I don't expect too much, but it will do something. So I would like this long trade right here, if it would pull back. Looks like 1 minute might be entering a short here if we move up towards 20. And most of the people think we are going up this morning. 70% think we're going up. Let's do a poll just to see average return on SBS on higher time frames. Yeah, the highest we've gone though is 5 minute chart. If you start up in it, it just doesn't take nearly as many trades, and it's not worth it in my opinion. Let's do a poll though. Would you like to see the 0 to 25K challenge done with Mr. Wilson? Some equal highs at 429, just remember. We did get that 1 minute short. With Mr. Wilson. Yeah, highest we've gone is 5 minutes, Mr. Wilson. So 1 minute is really good over the long term, though. A lot of people don't like it because it's too slow. Some days it doesn't take trades at all, but it does really good over the long term. So. little poll again. Would you like to see the 0 to 25k challenge done with Mr. Wilson and his live stream? Just back us a 1 minute for all of 25. Absolutely killed. Awesome. Yeah. So originally SBS was built around the 1 minute chart. I mean, you can see here it looks really nice so far. Up 80 ticks. Let me change that to points. 22 points. But I forgot what I was saying. Yeah, 1 minute chart is really good. It's just slow. Some days no trades, some days it'll take 4 or 5. I would say averages maybe 1 trade a day. Oh, there's news. Or something happened there. So that one hit. What was that though? That was a random spike there. Caused a lot of slippage in this 32 range. So we did lose more than expected there. Did lose more than expected there. Let me, I don't think. Yeah, there was no news there. 1 minute just killed though, 650. But you can see the slippage here on the 42 range. I guess you can't even see the 1 minute chart. There you go. Take the one on 3 PAs, awesome. Post that in the testimonials, man. Yeah, so we got a bunch of slippage there. 32 range. So it was meant to enter at 399. It looks like it got filled up at pretty much 410. So it caused extra drawdown there. Not much you can do about that. So yeah, this is actually the same trade on the 42 range, just a wider stop loss. In my opinion, the best thing you can do is if you see that ever happen, flatten the position as soon as possible. That way, hopefully you don't get burnt as bad. But I'm not sure what that was. That was not news related. That was just unfortunate, pretty much. Everyone cast your vote. There's 30 people in here. I want to see 30 votes on that poll. All right. I want to see 30 votes. Either way though, 32 range has had a really awesome past 3 days where it's up $4,300 or so. So this puts a small dent in that, right? In the 640, I'm on 400 risk per trade. So there's only one nice win. I wouldn't flatten, I'd use close button. Yeah. Sometimes it does, the flatten button doesn't work. That's partly related just to once it gets bad fills and stuff, it all starts getting a little junked up. And yeah. But flatten or close. I think when you click the close button, sometimes you just have to re-enable a strategy, but still, if you can catch it right away, save you a little most of the time. Yeah, he does yeah, the market open usually each day. Correct. There's Mason. Nice little 150, 140, 140, and 140. Assuming one of these is an eval. But that's awesome, man. If you get a full win like that early on, and also Mason's on 100 risk per trade, so that's pretty good. Pretty good. Top is sim, use it as control. Gotcha. So yeah, 138 per account. That's pretty good. Remember, I am kind of interested if we do come down into this 355. I like this just for the fact that you could take a trade here, 10-point stop would be below the whole gap, right? And potentially good upside, right? I'm not sure if that would work or not, but if it meets the strategy, it meets the strategy. So slow and steady with these 100, yeah, good, slow and steady. 1 minute chart is probably your best bet with the slow and steady. So stop there, obviously bigger than expected just because of the random volatility we just got there that wasn't related to news or anything. So oop, I need to change the Me6 spot so it doesn't just warn people all the time. So yeah, you can see the slippage here. This blue little line dot was our entry and we were supposed to get filled here. So obviously did not work out as planned. Pretty choppy though this morning so far. We might, you know, let's just turn the 1 minute chart off because we do have news at 10. That's a solid trade there. So we'll post that win. Oh, someone just passed their eval. Hold on. Shout out JC Change. My funded futures expert eval passed. Let's go. Let's go. Shout out JC. Also, what happened to us, guys? Where is the SBS chat? There's been no talk since 5 p.m. last night. That's so unlike you guys. Makes me sad, you know, it really does. Shout out JC though. Moving down close to 355. It's pretty choppy. I mean, the market keeps doing what it's doing. It does a dip and then it pumps. So pumps back to midpoint of the Bollinger Bands. So news in 9 minutes. Headed to the beach. Jeez, that sounds nice. Where do you live, Mason? Have a good one too. Have a good one. All right. Yeah, I think we are gonna, I would appreciate if everyone voted on that poll, but I think we're gonna do the Mr. Wilson in that challenge. So we're gonna copy his trades, obviously learn from him, learn his strategy, and go from there. try and get a evals passed and then payouts. And I already have funded accounts, but I guess if we're gonna start from 0, then we need to start from 0. So yeah, it usually starts 9 to 9:30, something in that range. Yeah. Sometimes earlier. Yesterday he started at 8:30. Potential shorts up here. I would like this because it would follow the pattern of drop, pump up, drop, pump up, potential entry, and then drop again. You know, could be, or we just shoot up. So this entry looks like it's around 404, and we just hit 401. If we get that fill, of course. Ooh, one person said no, they don't want to see it. Okay. SBS on 5 minute. What is it? A long short? Long short? What? There's a entry. Long? Nice, okay. Where was the where was the entry at? Let me guess. It was at 20,369. Yeah, 370. Yep. That's a good trade so far. It's up 30 points, then 40 points almost. Yeah. And let me guess again that the TP is at 417 for the first TP, and then probably 470 for the second or something like that. Of course, now we are starting to just got short on the 48 range, so we're short everything. Holding runner at 490 like you predicted. All right. Now we're breaking the structure though. So down, up, down. Oh, we shouldn't have passed this high, and it would have been a little bit better. So this likely we do get stopped. We'll be down about just about yesterday's profit. Because of the mess up on that first trade. So does look like we're gonna stop out though. I don't mind showing losses on stream because you know what? I've shown a lot of big wins on stream as well. That's part of the game, right? If this trade loses though, we'll probably turn it. I mean, there is news in a few minutes, so no offense, but I need that 5-minute trade to fail a little bit right now, or at least come back to break even, and then it can move in your favor. I think 429.75 looks pretty takeable, which would pretty much stop us out here. Our stop loss is pretty much where 3 equal highs are. So yeah, where 3 equal highs are. News in a minute and a half. Probably gonna get a little charge up to these equal highs right about now in the next 15 seconds. That's my prediction. Wonder how Botfolio is doing this morning. Let me check. Open the computer next to me. Looks like it is pretty much flat. It's literally up $4 right now in trades. We're in some ES longs, 2 ES longs to be exact. All right, news coming out soon. So if you aren't in any trades, I would turn off for the news, okay? I would, and I think 100% chance that we get stopped out on these 2 trades right here. Especially with medium impact news coming out in 10 seconds. There's a 100% chance. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Oh. There we go. We're stopped. Oh, and then it drops. Okay. We did take out the equal highs, just as predicted. Take out the equal highs, and then we drop. Our entry was 403. Okay. Yeah, equal highs were right there. Obviously, kind of predicted that. And now we drop. Oh, I was pretty accurate with my predictions, to be honest. Need to hit this 48 range trade that we're in. We're in this, I'll show you here. Boom. Probably can leave it like that, actually. Come on, hit that 48. Hit the full TP there. Don't go back up to the stop. And we went back up to the stop. Okay. Come on, come on. Hit first TP. Okay, we just used it as support and didn't get a fill. $30 points in profit, just secured some. It's too bad we literally got wicked out there. We were short 32 there. Literally just got wicked out. Not a great day for 32, but you know, it's okay. Because the past few days have been beautiful. So this just takes away the profit from yesterday. Still up $3,300 in the past few days. So 48 range, gonna get stopped here. Or not. Or not. Okay. How's that 5-minute trade doing? Did it hit first TP? I think it got close. I don't think it hit it. This is literally the chart I was looking at. So equal high, equal high, equal high, equal high. Literally just wicked it. Now we're back to the lows. We're up 40 points on this 48 range. All right, not too bad. Up 360 there on the 48. Just a 32 and 42, not doing great today. But if you guys remember, SBS was built around the 1 minute chart, and that's the best performer today. Okay. All right. Let's see. What do you think? Should we call it early today? Thinking, I think here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna call it early today. Okay. We're gonna call it early today. Then we're gonna plan the 0 to 25K challenge with Mr. Wilson, I think. Okay. So we can kind of copy his trades. We can get everyone else to join the live stream, as well as watch my live stream, because you can have Discord live stream and the YouTube live stream pulled up at the same time. Okay, so you can have both up. Helps the views, you know what I'm saying? And we'll go from there. We'll plan that out the rest of this week. Maybe start next week at something, I don't know, fresh week. But we will call it early today. Slight red day, but that's fine because the last few days have been majorly green. And if you need to verify that statement, you can watch the past live streams from the past few days, okay? Anyway, enjoy the rest of your day, guys. And I will see everybody tomorrow for another live stream. So have a good one.